Today, we'll demonstrate how to easily set rules in Zoho Forms. Subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated on our other easy-to-follow videos and tutorials.
Sometimes more advanced settings are necessary for making sure that you meet the objectives of the created form. I'm going to show you how to set rules. First, go to Rules section. As you can see, it is possible to set rules for a form itself, its fields, and pages in the form. Let's set a field rule. We have two phone fields in our case, and I want the second field to appear only after the first one is filled in. To start, I click on Configure Now. You may want to change your rule's name. I will leave it like that. What do we have here? If something happens with the first field, then the following action is performed. Let's pick a field's name. It's phone 1. Then choose a condition of the field. It's not empty in our case. What should happen next? I want the form to show phone 2 field. Add. Here you will see a logic of all rules you've created. Let's see a result. If I enter any number, phone 2 field appears. That's how a field rule works.
Thank you for watching our demonstration on how to set rules for your Zoho Forms. Stay tuned for more Zoho-related tutorials. Help us grow our community. Hit like, subscribe, and share this video to people you know. Do you have questions or clarifications? Send them our way at knowhow@customerization.ca.